Okay guys, you ever have some leftover jerk chicken and you don't know what to do with it? Well, I have some rosemary leftover jerk chicken and I'm going to show you what to do with it today. Now it's time to blend everything together. I'm gonna have my rosemary jerk chicken, my egg, some onion, some celery, and I have mayonnaise. I'm going to mix those together. Alright, got my chicken. I'm going to put that in there first. Then egg. Then celery. Mayo. Alright, I mix it up and that's what it looked like. It tastes good, you see, people. You can put more mayonnaise if you want, but I don't like too much mayonnaise. It is so nice looking right now. Tastes really good.